In this video, I'll be going over how to write algebraic expressions with one-step and two-step method. The first step that you want to do is to figure out the operation and then write the expression. Below are 8 examples of the one-step algebraic expressions, and I'll be going over each one. For the first one, we have the sum of x and 25. So sum is to add everything as mentioned. So we have x and 25. Therefore, we will write out the expression as x plus 25. For the second one, we have 55 less than y. Less is minus. So it will be 55 less than y, and so 55 is less than y. So y minus 55 is how you would write that expression. For the third example, the quotient of 56 and x. The quotient is the answer to a division, and we want to find out what is the quotient of 56 and x, so therefore we would divide 56 by x. The fourth example, y divided by 5. So it will be y divided by 5 as mentioned, or you could write as y over 5. Either way, it will be y divided by 5. For the fifth example, we have difference of y and 45. So the difference would be the result of one number minus another. In this case, it's y and 45. So we would take y minus 45. The sixth example, x increased by 15. So x, in this case, would increase, meaning that we will add 15. For number 7, product of 5 and x. So product is multiplication. So multiplication of 5 and x is 5 times x, or 5x. For the 8th example, 14 times y. Times is multiply, so it will be 14 multiplied by y. So these 8 examples are one-step algebraic expressions. Now for the two-step operations, we have 4 examples. The first one states 80 times the difference of 45 and x. So we first look at the difference of 45 and x. That will be 45 minus x. And then we want to times by 8. So it could be like this. Or you could write it 45 minus x times by 8. Either way will work. Now the second one says the quotient of 18 and y, and then increase by x. So that means that we need to divide 18 and y and then add x. So we could go 18 divided by y and then plus x, or we can go 18 over y plus x. Either way will work. For the third example, subtract y from 62. So in our head, we know that they wanted 62 minus y here. And then divide by 3. So if we write this out, 62 minus y, divide by 3. Or we can write 62 minus y, divide by 3. For the fourth example, the sum of x and 12, and then we want to multiply by 8. So sum will be x plus 12, and then multiply by 8. Or we can write 8 and then times x plus 12. Either way will work. So these are examples of how you would write algebraic expressions, whether it's one step or two step. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.